Hello. I'm going to be reviewing this Pro-Series, Mueller Pro-Series multi-chopper and slicer. I bought this on Amazon, and I will link it below. We have the large square chopper, as you can see. As you can see here, it's got multiple options. Here we go. Here you can see. Yep, let me turn it right side. Chopping blades. It has 3 slicing and grating blades. There are 2 graters, well, 1 grater technically, and then julienne slicers, all that stuff. So quite a lot of options. All right, so we're gonna show you with an onion. You can see nice little chopped onion pieces. And it's pretty easy to push down. Here's some shallots. Nice and easy. Mushroom. Super easy. And then you'll see, go to the last 2. How much space is in the bottom. There you go. All the chopped up veggies, all consistent sizes. Oh yeah, and this machine is strong enough to do potatoes, which we would be showing, but they're not washed yet. But yeah, I would recommend this product. I would highly recommend it, especially if you just want some easy, quick way to chop up some veggies. This also cleans really easily and really well. Just take some hot water and just a quick little soap and you're good. So if you have one of these, let me know how you like yours in the comment section. And if you don't, does this look like a product that you would find useful? I would give this a solid 5 out of 5 stars. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.